On today's video, I'm going to show you my version of Korean steak tacos, and believe you me, you're going to want this recipe. Let's get to cooking. Okay, first thing we have to do is make the taco sauce. I was a little on the fence about this, but once I pieced it together in my head, I was like, no, we got to do it. Don't worry about all the amounts. We're going to have them in the recipe. Just head over to Kosmos Q, print it off. We'll have it in there. But we got sour cream, a little mayo, tiny bit of sriracha. If you want more, add more. And lime juice. That lime juice is really going to make this pop. It's actually going to bring the heat up in that sriracha just a little bit too. SPG. That's about a heaping teaspoon. Bingo. That's it. That's good. Put it in the fridge. All right, so for the meat portion, we're going to use ribeyes. And I'm just going to slice off some of this fat, not too much. We want a little bit in there. But if you know me, I don't like chewing the fat. Now, for these, I'm just going to slice them as thin as I can get them, about 1/8 of an inch. And if you want to use another kind of meat, you knock yourself out. And I even noticed that some grocery stores, they already have this portion done for you. Not in Mustang, Oklahoma. So I'm going to marinate these in my Ziploc. Just throw them all in there. Nothing fancy. Set that to the side. And now let's make our marinade. All right, so this is going to be a busy marinade. Print it off. Fantastic for this. I promise you, can't go wrong. Sesame oil. Brown sugar. Make sure it's packed. Gochujang, or however you pronounce it. Minced garlic. Fresh garlic. Grated ginger. Fresh ginger. And you can't forget the soy sauce. Just give her a little misky mix. And I'm going to use a little bit of our Korean barbecue wing dust, the secret stash. Just about a tablespoon. And mix it up. And last but not least, a little bit of SPG. Dump that in there. I'm gonna leave a little bit of air in there right now. Just mix it up. Now I'm gonna marinate this overnight. By the magic of television, I already have some that I marinated last night. So I'm gonna eat Korean tacos 2 days in a row, which is not a bad thing. Mix it good. Crack the corner and remove as much air as possible. Place in the fridge overnight. You can tell it looks completely different. This has been marinating for 24 hours. Let's get it cooking. I'm just gonna dump this right here. And I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more Korean wing dust. Now I'm using flour tortillas, but you use whatever you want. Let's get a couple of them on here. Get them warmed up. Smells fantastic, dude. Woo-hoo. So these cook quick. I'm talking about maybe 5 minutes. All right, so we got our steak cooked. Toppings are ready. Now I'm just going with onion, cilantro, a little bit of lime. I'm a street taco guy, so let's build us one. All right, so grab your tortilla. Now I learned this trick the other day. Put the sauce on the bottom, game changer for me. A little bit of meat, a little bit of onion, cilantro, and Shot of lime. I've been waiting for this one for a while. I made these a couple years back for my wife and I, and she absolutely loves them, and she doesn't know that I actually have this extra bundle of meat going in the fridge right now, so she's getting these tacos tomorrow. So let's get after it. Wow. That's probably one of the best tacos I've ever ate in my life. The crazy thing about this is the marinade. You can taste that sesame oil, you can taste the ginger, you can taste a little bit of that soy. It just works incredibly well with ribeyes. I would 100% recommend that you try this at home because this is a showstopper. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to KosmosQ.com, print it off, make it for your gang, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Good Lord of these flies. Now, this is the part where you can play with your meat.